Are you tired of working 9 to 5 and still not getting ahead? What if your money worked for you even while you sleep? In this video, we'll show you 5 passive income business ideas that require no employees, little time, and can grow into full-time income. Idea 1. Ice vending machine. Let's start with the ice vending machine. These machines run 24/7 and require no staff. You place it near gas stations or supermarkets. A bag of ice costs you just 25 cents and sells for $2. That's a 700% profit margin. Once installed, you only need to check it weekly. Some people make $2,000 plus a month from just one machine. Idea 2. ATM business. Next up, the ATM business. You buy and install an ATM in a store or gas station. Each time someone withdraws cash, you earn a transaction fee, usually $2 to $3. If 30 people use it daily, that's nearly $1,800 a month. It's a business that runs silently. Just refill cash, collect profit. Idea 3. Candy vending machines. Perfect for schools, malls, or hospitals. Candy vending machines are simple, cheap, and attractive to kids. You invest once, restock weekly, and let the machine do the work. Candies that cost 5 cents sell for 50 cents or more. That's 10x profit. Idea 4. Mobile car wash. No office, no rent. Just a van, some supplies, and a water tank. Mobile car washes go to the customer, saving them time. Charge $40.80 per wash. Do 5-8 washes a day and earn over $300 daily. People love convenience, and this is a service in demand. Idea 5. Coffee bike business. A coffee bike is a small mobile cafe on wheels. Park it near parks, events, or offices. A good location can help you sell 50100 cups a day. At $3 per cup, that's $150 to $300 daily. You don't need rent or employees, just great coffee and a smile. These businesses are smart, simple, and scalable. Whether you're starting with $500 or $5,000, there's a passive business model for you. Want more detailed guides on each of these? Subscribe now and comment which idea you loved most.